Here's a job we're going to take you to from finding the leak, it was in a structural crack, to doing the actual repair. Check it out. So we're walking up on this leak detection. We're going to do a visual. We're walking around, checking the equipment. We're looking around. What do we find? A structural crack. That doesn't mean we're going to stop right there. We're going to take this pool and we're going to listen to the whole entire thing. Pool scope and side mic listening at lights, skimmers, drop and drag, pool scopes over main drains. We're going to listen for absolutely everything. We're coming up on the leak. We're verifying the sound of the leak. Check it out. That's what a typical leak sounds like. Again, deeper or higher in the water column is going to make a difference. After we do all our listening, we're going to static test. Why? We're going to prove that these lines are leaking or they're not leaking. After we're done static testing the pool, we're going to come in, we're going to map and miss the crack after we drain it. Again, this is about from finding it to fixing it. We're going to cut wide, especially because this is a corner leak. We take our templates, we mark everything out, and we drill our holes. Here's previous repairs that have been done to this crack, as you could see. So then we set our staples in a little bit further, we chip everything out, and then we get ready to set our epoxy. Once we set our epoxy, then we gently tap our torque locks in and lock them down. Once they're locked down, we're going to bury them with regular hydraulic cement, just a non-shrinking cement that's going to keep it watertight. We're going to sponge it all in. Next thing we're going to do an added barrier of waterproofing. We use a product called Membrane C on most applications, and now we're ready to start our plaster. We're going to do our plaster patch, we're going to wipe everything down, and we're going to wrap this up.